Hi guys! So, I'm here with my client, ni Ma'am Mary Jane. So, nag-release kami ng Mirage G4 GLX Automatic. So, hihingan lang natin siya ng feedback regarding sa naging transaction natin sa kanya. Ma'am, ayun, hingi lang po ako ng feedback sa inyo.
So yun guys, actually I recommend Arman kasi napaka-smooth, very fast. Actually, I didn't expect within 1 week. Actually, wala pa nga 1 week. I-exclude na yung Saturday and Sunday. So, it's like within the time frame of 1 week na kuha ko kagad yung unit. So, very fast transaction and then very accommodating, of course. So, I really recommend him. So, if you want to get your new unit, you can just visit ako sa Abad Santos Mitsubishi showroom.
Guys, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much po. Congratulations po sa ating brand new car. So guys, kung meron kayong mga clients or gusto niyo rin kumuha ng brand new car, wag kayong mag-hesitate na i-message ako para matulungan ko rin kayo. So,